Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's HZHtube Kids Fun, and today we are invited to the Wild Wadi Waterpark in Dubai. Thank you guys so much for inviting us. We can't wait to have so much fun. Okay, so right now we are going on our first ride. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's actually pretty hot, but hopefully the water is cold enough to cool us down. So I'm gonna show you. Everyone is ahead of me. I'm gonna show you around. Look at this, absolutely beautiful. So nice. Let's do this. Okay guys, first ride. Zach, you ready?
Yeah.
Super ready? Heidi, are you ready?
Yeah.
Perfect. Zidane's gonna sit with me. Are you ready, Zidane?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's do this. Let's see. Woohoo! Woo! Woo! Oh, we're gonna drop! Woo! Oh, never mind. Well, that was quick.
Okay, which one do you want to go? Which one is the best?
Which one is?
They're all nice.
Oh, nice. Which one's faster?
This one, but this one is the exit, but
This one? Okay.
that one you got camera of.
Ah, okay. Thank you. It's evil.
Oh!
Woo! Woohoo! Woohoo! Whoa! No, for 300.
Let's go here.
Okay, let's do this.
What type more?
Dangerous tunnel. Thank you. Woo! Woo! I can't see. I can't Okay. That was a good one.
Yeah.
No, Zidane. Zidane! Heidi and Hadil are coming. How was it?
Fun.
It was so much fun, right?
It would be short, but it was fun.
Yeah, right? Okay, let me see his head. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait on your dad. Bring it. Zach and where's his daddy? Hi guys! How was it?
It was fun, right?
How was it? Zachy, how was it? How was it? Was it fun?
I want to get out. Can I get out?
Yeah?
Can I get out?
Sure. Zach wanna jump.
For my life jacket.
Okay, go. You're so evil. Okay. And he that did chicken.
Should have done that.
Should never mess with deal. Okay guys, we're almost there. Okay guys, so we are going to the second ride. Guys, we are still walking to the second ride, but look how beautiful is this. Everything is so beautiful. Okay, now it's our turn. Woohoo! Okay, it's our turn. Go.
Oh, I don't want to go backwards. No, sit down. We'll go back.
I think, yeah, I think the lighter have to go back. I think the lighter, no?
No, Hidio's not here.
Yeah. Ready?
Oh, I'm holding on.
Would you like a picture of all?
Oh, thank you so much. Yes.
Alright, good. See you.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Woohoo! Wow! Woo! 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 Zidan, how was it?
It was fun.
So much fun, Heidi.
But I like the other one more.
Yeah, I really liked it.
Because we flew on the other one. On this one, I was like flying like this.
Yeah, let's go to the next one. Okay guys, so let's see what's gonna happen right now. Let's see, let's see.
It's just like that thing.
Are you guys ready?
I don't know what's happening. Is the button gonna hit us?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Of course.
Go.
No, it's here. The orange one.
Go to kids. Huh?
The orange one.
Okay.
Hey, we can't get stuck. Wait, just try and get stuck. Look. You go first and get stuck. Mama, you go first and get stuck. Like try to stop.
Zidan have an evil plan. Okay. Evil plan.
So get stuck and then I'll come.
Okay. Is it that Zach already went? Where's Zach? Go Heidi! Where is Heidi? I can't see anyone. Don't look at me. Cheese. Wait. Cheese.
More than 4 hours.
Here, again. 3, 2, 1. Cheese. Oh, here's cheese. Bye, Heidi.
Mama, you're next.
Who will go first? Oh my, you and me?
Mama, you're next.
Go Zidan. See ya.
Bye.
Here is he. Okay guys, my turn. Whee! Whee! Woohoo! Whee! Okay, it's a wave, guys. Jump! Every time the wave comes, you have to jump. Come on, jump! 3, 2, 1, jump! Okay guys, we came to the end of the video. We had an amazing time. Thank you so much, Wild Wadi Waterpark in Dubai, for inviting us. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Awesome. We came to the end of the video. It's time to say
Bye, guys.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Bye, and see ya.
see ya.